Welcome back everybody. Here in another class of PHP, I'm just teaching you some more things. So I'm just building the while loop here. In this class, I'm just teaching you about the do while loop. So in the do while loop, we have to put the do first and the curly braces first. So obviously the statement first, then the condition. And after that, I just have to put the while. And in the while, I just have to mention the parentheses. So after the parentheses, I have to put the semicolon, okay, because these are the parentheses, not the curly braces. But before them, I'm just copying that and just teaching you the difference between the do while and while loop. So I just cut it that, and I'm just actually pressing Ctrl Z to undo all the remove things, and here I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that, and obviously I get the old command back. Here, actually, if I just type and watch it in the browser, as a result, after saving, and I'm just going to the browser and refreshing, I'm just getting only one result. Here if I just put 11, okay, not 10, obviously if I just put 10, this condition can be true only one time, so I'm just getting the result one time. But now refresh it and I'm getting nothing. Okay, if the condition isn't true for the first time as well, then we can't get anything. But I'm removing that and just pasting, which I just copied on the do while loop. And here the specialty of do while loop is, however the command command actually not isn't true for the first time even, but we can get the result because the parentheses are first, then we go to the comparison or the condition. Actually here, first of all, I just have to put the echo, and actually I just have to type whatever I just want to print here. This is the do while loop. Perfect. Here the do while loop, and here in the while, actually in the condition area, I'm just typing count, same the less than and the equal to sign, and here 10. Okay, I'm just putting 10 here. I'm just typing 1, and obviously we have to use the increment sign, increment operator. So actually I'm just going to the do again, and here I'm just putting the count plus the increment operator here in the do. Okay, so the thing is that I'm just going to the browser and refreshing it, and obviously this is the same as we did before. BR and save it, and obviously I'm just refreshing it, and now this is the do while loop, this is the do all the things, as you can see that the same. But the difference between the do while loop and the while loop is, if I just put 11 here, as you can see that, as you just remember that if we just do this thing in the while loop, it won't run just because the command is wrong for the first time as well. So let's just go and refresh it. Now we are getting the result at least one time. Why? Just because as you know that PHP starts from the top, and obviously it is reading the do first, and in the do it is getting the echo, so it is printing the echo, and after that it is just incrementing the count, and then it is getting that there is something wrong in the condition. But obviously that the do while loop has been printed the value first time, the statement first time, so no problem, but it won't do that again. That means we at least can get the result one time. This is the difference between the do while loop and the while loop. Okay, so we will learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.